Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your copper still. First, ensure your still is completely cool before starting any cleaning process. Begin by disassembling the still into its main components for easier access. This allows you to reach all internal surfaces effectively. Proper cleaning is crucial for maintaining the quality of your distilled products and extending the lifespan of your equipment. Let's get started with the right cleaning agents. For the internal cleaning, a solution of 1/4 cup of citric acid per gallon of hot water works well. Pour this solution into the still and let it sit for about 30 minutes, or gently heat it if safe for your still type. This helps dissolve any internal deposits. After soaking, drain the solution and rinse the still thoroughly with several changes of clean, hot water. Ensure no residue remains to prevent contamination of future batches. To clean the exterior and restore that beautiful copper shine, create a paste using equal parts salt and white vinegar. Apply this paste with a soft cloth, gently rubbing away any tarnish or discoloration. For stubborn spots, let the paste sit for a few minutes. Once clean, rinse the exterior thoroughly with warm water and dry it immediately with a clean towel to prevent water spots. Your still will look almost new. After cleaning, proper storage is key. Keep your copper still in a dry, well-ventilated area to prevent retarnishing and dust accumulation. Before your next use, always inspect all connections, gaskets, and seals for any signs of wear or damage. Replacing worn parts ensures safe and efficient operation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home sparkling clean. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.